This dark mode Excel dashboard looks like it took an entire data team weeks to build, but I generated the whole thing in under 80 seconds, and I didn't write a single line of code. Let's see how. We start with this simple, boring raw data. I copy this highly specific AI prompt which has my data information, paste it directly into Claude, and in seconds it writes the exact VBA code I need. I just hit copy. Back in Excel, press Alt plus F11, click Insert, drop in a new module and paste the code. I went back to my sheet, inserted a quick shape and called it Create Dashboard. I gave it a button look, right-clicked to assign a macro and selected the Create Premium Dashboard macro. Now click it, bam, in 1 second your dashboard is created. It looks like a high-end UI design and it is completely interactive. You can click these top filters to slice the data, hit the refresh button to update your numbers instantly, and it even builds out an automated 3-month revenue forecast. I put the entire Excel sheet and the exact code in a free Google Doc linked in the description. Let me know in the comments what you want me to automate next. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.